Hello, my name is Teresa Wessel. I teach fifth grade in El Dorado, Kansas. My district is an Apple Distinguished District, and we have a lot of technology. We have one-to-one iPads for our kindergarten through eighth grade, and then laptops for our high school students. So each teacher is given an iPad and a computer. Um, since taking graduate courses, I have become very comfortable with Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Community. Because at my school we have Apple products, I was used to using Pages and Keynote, PowerPoint, those things. And so now I'm getting more comfortable with Google. I would say that now actually I prefer Google Docs and Slides. And I love that everything is just saved to my drive. Um, I have taken a few other courses, so I'm feeling more comfortable with how online classes work. I'm excited to learn more about integrating technology into my classroom, and I'm also excited to hopefully find some really great resources and some good technology that I can use in my classroom. I can't wait to meet everyone and learn lots.